Hello my brothers and sisters in nerdiness, welcome back to the Spider's Web. In this video we're going to be doing a little bit of an unpacking. The story behind this is these, what we're looking at tonight, or today, are not mine. They belong to Andy from the Wigan Wargames club. And on Saturday we went to Phalanx as the club and Andy bought these. The reason I've got them is for the same reason I've got his Arena Rex minis. They need constructing and painting. So we have a new series coming up. So this is a preview for the new series. So, in a way. So we have 1, 2, 3, 4. We have 5 packs for a city walls set. There's still some more available for that. And we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 packs for a Middle Eastern set. However, I think there's 2 of these won't be counted as part of anything we're doing planning in this video because they are, there's 2 double ups. So we have those 2 are double and those 2 are double. So what I'm going to do in this video is I'm going to start this as a bit of a poll, as well as look at what there is. So the poll, what I'm going to do is on each one of these I'm going to write a letter, and except for the double ups obviously, and what I'm going to do is ask you to nominate which one you'd like to see first of all built on video, and then once they've all been built we'll then go along to which ones you'd like to see painted as a video. Well, in which order you'd like to see them painted. So first of all, let me zoom in. Okay, so we zoomed in and this is a 28mm Middle Eastern minaret. This will go on or next to a suitable sized building. And these are from Blots Games, who were obviously at Salute. So what I'm going to do first of all is I'm just going to take this bit of sellotape off here, and there's another bit of sellotape there. It's just been cut, it has. Oh, someone wasn't being too careful with what they were doing. It's been split. So I'm not going to do this with all of them. I'm just going to show you exactly, you know, the kind of things they are and the kind of quality you can expect from Blots. So for this minaret we have 4 pieces of MDF, all laser cut, and all of these will be the walls for the tower, and then you've got like little balustrades along the top. In the bottom corner here you can see there's a code number, which number of sheet this is out of the pack, and the website www.blotz.co.uk. Not sponsored by Blots, just in association with Wigan Wargames. So that's the first sheet. The second sheet is this one. And again, this one has a serial number there, has the sheet number and the website. Got balustrades, walls, doors, that kind of thing. Next one we'll have some floors or whatever for the tower pieces. Again, code number, sheet number and the website. Then we have windows and some more balustrades, and these possibly are supports, I'm not exactly certain. And then for the final sheet we have this, which has whatever these may be, possibly support for the roof. Then we have the roof tiles, again something else, I'm not sure what it is, and then the decoration, I'm not sure what they call this, but it's a decoration that fits on top. If you look at the picture, it's just there. So this is the first one that we've looked at. So this one is going to be, it's going to have the letter, oops, A on it. So this one is A. There we are. Oops. So we'll put this one back into the pack. And for each one now, other than the double ups, I'm going to take the piece of paper out and then just write the letter on it. So that was A. And now we have the first lot of double ups. So this will be B. I'll put this here and then I'll take it out from here. Oops. Come on. Out you come. So this, I'm going to write it the right way around this time. B. And this is what we have for B. Okay. So as I said, I'm going to photograph these and post them up as a poll. And then we have this one, which is C. Come on. And that's this building. There we go. And now we have a second double up. I'm just trying to, I'm not going to fasten the bags on camera. I'm waiting to do that afterwards. So this is the next double up. So I'll put that to one side and take out the second one. A, B, C, D is next. I had to think then because I've forgotten where we were at. So this is D. There we go. So again, please let me know which one you would like to see built first. These Middle Eastern ones are quite basic. They're very blocky, very boxy. This one, however, seems a little bit more robust. There's still 4 sheets in this, but it seems to be quite thicker MDF than the rest of them. But this is E, so we'll write E on there, and there is E. It's a 2-storey building. That's E for you. And then pop that back in there. And then finally we have, well, finally for the Middle Eastern ones, we have this one, which will be F. And I will write F in here. And that is F. There we go. Now that's it for the Middle Eastern buildings. Now we'll move over to the castle buildings, or the castle, or the city wall buildings, I think they are. I'll start off with this small one. Now this particular small one is just the stairway leading up to the ramparts of the city wall. But either way, looks like a nice little kit. But the previous one was F. This one is going to be, surprisingly enough, G. So we'll mark this with a G. Oops, there you are. And you can see the little stairs leading up there at the top of the ramparts. So that's G. And this one will be H. This is a 28mm short straight gate. You can get different gates. I've had a look on the website. You can get different gates. You can get different wall sections as well. This is H, did I say? Yes. So this is H. And there's the wall section. H. In fact, I'm just going to put this over here. This is I. This is a tower for the city walls. Here we go. GH. This is I, did I say? Yes. So I'll make it at I. I'm trying to make the letters as legible as possible. Well, that's I, just a, as I say, a normal size, well, not a normal size, a normal shape for a tower, very square, very blocky. And then we have two corner pieces. This is an external corner. As you will see in a moment, there is a difference between an internal corner and an external corner. The external corner, the corner piece like that, is on the outside of the wall. The internal corner, it's more, oops, like that rather than that. The difference between concave and convex, I suppose. So that was, which one was it? I. So this will be J. There we are. So that's the external corner, which is J. And then finally we'll have the internal corner, and this is a 30-degree corner, it's not a right angle. Both of these are 30-degree corners, so it gives it a little bit of a difference. I think there are 90-degree corners available in this set as well. And this will be K. There we are. So, oops, that is the internal corner. So, that is what we have. So all we need to do now is work out which one I'm going to do first. Please, please, please let me start off with an easy one to get me going. But just in case anybody is interested in the details for where you can get these, that is it all. Okay, so as I said, please leave a message below and let me know which one you'd like to see. A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J or K. As I said, there's 2 that isn't listed in this, and that's because they're double ups. I want to do them anyway. I'm just going to make them and paint them up and let him have those 2 as soon as possible. But the rest we'll do on camera once I've got them all done. In fact, I might even do it as once I've got one. Yeah, what I will do, instead of waiting to get them all done, I will make them all once it's all set and dried and whatever and strong enough to be manhandled. I will paint them in the order that they've been made, so that at least I can do them, get them finished and pass them on. But yeah, I will take a photograph of all these sheets and I will put a poll up so you know which one or what we're doing, so you can have a better look at them. But that's it for this video. I hope you've enjoyed it. I know it's something a little different, but I'm looking forward to making these. And I'm hoping you're going to look forward to seeing what I can do with them. Hopefully I can do them justice, but they look straightforward to put together. But that's it for this video. As I say, I hope you've enjoyed it. Until next time, as always, stay safe and take care. God bless and bye for now.